In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, AI agents are emerging as powerful allies, transforming how we interact with computers and shape our digital future. Today, AI agents are already making remarkable contributions to our computing world. Picture this: developers working side by side with AI, cutting development time in half. Code appears automatically, bugs get fixed instantly, and complex systems come together faster than ever before. In cybersecurity, AI agents are our vigilant guardians, scanning millions of data points every second, identifying and neutralizing threats before they can cause harm. System administrators now have AI partners that never sleep, constantly monitoring and optimizing our digital infrastructure, predicting issues before they occur. But this is just the beginning. The future holds even more exciting possibilities. Imagine AI agents becoming true collaborative partners, understanding not just our code, but our intentions and goals, helping architect entire systems from concept to completion. Picture systems that heal themselves, where AI agents automatically detect and resolve issues, ensuring uninterrupted service. The future of computing will be more inclusive than ever, with AI agents breaking down technical barriers, allowing anyone to create software through natural conversation. This revolution in AI agents represents more than just technological advancement. It's about creating a future where computing becomes more intuitive, systems become more reliable, innovation becomes more accessible. The revolution of AI agents isn't just changing how we work with computers, it's redefining what's possible in our digital world. Join the revolution. The future of computing is here.